Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to use Grok AI for free, and that too without creating an account. I will show you the method using the website, and you can do the same on your phone or desktop by following these steps. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss useful videos like this. First, open your browser, Chrome or any other, and search for Grok AI. Now open the official website. This is what the interface looks like. Let's see what features we get without signing in. So first, I will ask a question like, who is Elon Musk? And as you can see, it has given complete and accurate information, and that too without signing in. Now let's check the mode options. In the auto section, you can change between different modes. Fast mode gives quick replies, useful when your phone battery is low or when you need fast answers. Expert mode gives deep and detailed research-based answers, perfect for understanding complex topics. Grok 4 Fast is a new model by Xai AI launched in September 2025. It's a faster and cheaper version of Grok 4, made for quick responses without losing quality. There is also Auto mode, which automatically chooses the best model depending on your question. Grok AI can also give today's latest news, which many other AIs cannot provide without login. Now, since we haven't signed in, our chat history won't be saved. To save chats, you need to sign in or sign up. But before that, let's test image generation. I will ask Grok to make an image of Ronaldo and Messi together. And as you can see, it generated a great image even without login. You can also convert images to videos, edit them, and more, all without an account. Now I will sign in with Google so my chats get saved. After signing in, you can see my previous history. You can reopen prompts, generate new results, and download images. You can also upload images and get information about them. From the menu, you can start a new chat, talk using voice, create images, view history, and open settings. Inside settings, you can change language, theme, account options, delete chats, delete account, or export your data. So this is how you can use Grok AI for free, and also what features you get without signing in. If you run out of usage limit without login, you can open Grok AI in another browser like Limo browser and continue using it. If this video was helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.